How to change username on Twitch. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will learn how you can change your username on your Twitch account. So how do you do this? The first step is for you to log in into your Twitch account just like I've done here. Then move to the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Amongst the options displayed, ensure you scroll down until you can see settings and then just click on that. On the settings page, you can see a number of tabs such as profile, prime gaming, channel and videos, security and privacy notifications. Just click on security and privacy. On the security and privacy page, you can see different options, right? Then go ahead to click on profile. So by clicking on profile, on the profiles page, scroll down until you can see username, right? So under this, you can see you can update your username again in 2 months. So this is the condition, all right? If your username is up to 2 months, you cannot change it. You cannot change it yet, all right? So once your username is up to 2 months, by the time you click on this box, it will be activated, and then you can easily erase the username displayed and then enter in the new one that you would like to use. Well, mine is now up to 2 months, so I cannot go further to do that. But for you, you will be able to erase the previous username and input in the new one, and then move to the bottom right corner, click on save changes, and your username would be changed. So this is how you can change your username easily on Twitch. Go ahead to try it out now. Thank you very much for watching.